Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to remove password on PDF file. Sometimes you are download some password protected PDF file and you need to access as a day by day or some time to time, and sometimes you are very irritating to type their password. So how to remove the password without any third-party software installation or third-party software accessing of any operating system? Use my tips and tricks and remove PDF password very easily. How to do it? Let's check it out. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all, I will show you one of my PDF. So here this one is a password protected file. I just simply open here and now the PDF are asking me password. First time I enter here password and unlock the file. So this PDF file is unlocked, but again I close this file and then again I open. So again the PDF are asking me password. So how to remove the password? First of all, you open this PDF and then Command P or Control P of any operating system, and like a save, the print options are active here. Type here at the save as a PDF file. Just I am typing here new save as this particular file, save, and I close this PDF file. So look at this password protected file is this, and as it is same files, save without password means remove the password. I just simply open here and the same data, same contents are available, and I can share this file anyone, third party or third person are access without password protected file. Now I am not install any kind of software. I just simply use predefined PDF software available on any operating system and print this particular file and save as a PDF format, and automatically password are removed. It's very simple tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.